Good morning to one and all. Present here I am K. Chiranteja of 8th grade. I am studying in Akash High School. Today in front of you give a wonderful speech on citizens' responsibility towards India to abide by the Constitution and respect ideas and institution of our national flag and the national anthem, to cherish that follow the noble ideas and inspire our national struggle of freedom, to uphold and protect sovereignty and unity, the integrity of India defined the Constitution, participate in your local community. Thank you given this golden opportunity.